2016 Hyundai Accent. If you want to change your cabin air filter, this is a procedure. Go to your glove box. Go ahead and open up your glove box. Okay. Then you're going to go over here and turn these knobs counterclockwise, and they'll come right out. Alright. One over here. Counterclockwise until they stop. And they'll come right out. The glove box will kind of fall down. You got to be careful that there's this damper cord right here on the side that you don't break it, okay? And then, once you get this part, the cabin filter is actually located in this box, and you have to open it. And the way you do that is, let's see, you gotta squeeze these little guys right here. Squeeze them on the other side. And take the door off. Door. Cabin filter. I don't have a cabin filter. I'm gonna check this one, and this one definitely needs to be changed. You can see how dirty this thing is. I mean, this is packed stuff. I need to go ahead and order one of these. I'll leave a link down in the description box for the part number and like a link of where I'm gonna get mine at, where you can get one for yourself. Probably pretty cheap. Cheapest one I get a pretty good deal on them. So. And when you get your new one, you just stick it back in there, and it'll notate the airflow. So make sure you put it in exactly how this one came out. Get your door. Just pop it back on there. Get your glove box. And move it back up. Stick your little knobs back in. Okay. Go clockwise with them. Hold that one up. Same thing on this side. Go clockwise. And that's it. That's how you get to your cabin air filters.